Today, I want to introduce you to another simple way to implement SoulLink into your daily life, your pre-sleep calm down. For many people, bedtime does not always mean the system is ready for rest. The body may feel tired while the mind is still active. This is often described as feeling wired but tired. Your pre-sleep calm down routine is designed to help create a calming cue before sleep, giving your mind and body a gentle signal that the day is complete. Consistent calming sensory experiences before sleep may help support the brain and nervous system as they transition from wakefulness into deeper states of rest and recovery. This can be done in as little as a 5-minute break before bed. Here's a simple way to begin. Open SoulLink and adjust the duration to 5 minutes. Choose a music that helps set the space for rest. The music, Energy Transmutation, is great for this. Then, if you would like, choose a video that feels calming and relaxing. My go-to for pre-sleep is Golden Lavender Oasis. Finally, if you would like, choose a frequency that supports your overall wellness goals. Then press Build Experience. Then simply allow the experience to play while preparing your body and mind for rest. Some people use this after getting into bed. Others use it while washing their face, dimming the lights, or settling into bed with SoulLink playing softly. The goal is not to force sleep. The goal is creating a gentle cue that helps your system begin to settle. In your next message, I'll help you understand how to choose the SoulLink routine that fits what you need most on any given day. All the best, Dr. Dawn Ella, your personal SoulLink advisor.